Yeah, let's get this party started a little bit. So, hi, my name is the Gentleman, or you guys can call me Luke 12. So basically, what we're so yeah, from like last stream and like last video, I found out what the problem was with this. So you guys know how like it's like kind of crappy right now. So yeah, if you guys just do this thing real quick, where you're gonna have to set it as a max width of the container. So if we just change it so it's max width, this, boom, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now everything within like that 180 pixels, it'll stay within that. So you don't have to struggle anymore, and life will be so Gucci. And then right now, so you guys see how we started doing. This is supposed to be our little features. So I started doing that way before the main content. So we're just gonna let's focus on the main content for the moment. So like, yeah, I'm very sorry. If you guys also, if anything, like, if you guys are struggling to see and everything, just like let me know. I don't know. I'll like zoom in for you. Yeah, like I make your lives a little bit easier. At the same time, let me just like you see that? Beautiful. Now we can all have a nice little wonderful time here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy if you ask me, baby. So like, yeah, let's get back to work. Someone texted me. Very awesome. So this little section is gonna be we're gonna give it an idea of home info, because this is where pretty much like the main info page is gonna be, and we're gonna make another div, and this is gonna be the info image. Awesome. And we're gonna put the image using CSS. At the same time, now we're just gonna create another div, and it's gonna have our content. Also, guys, let me know if my volume is okay. If you guys can hear me, if everything's Gucci. We're actually gonna name this like info content, just so like everything can be nice and Gucci. Let me just move my coffee out of this way. Yeah, I know. Coffee is bad for you, but sometimes when you don't have orange juice in the house, yeah, and you see there's coffee in the fridge that's been there for like 2 weeks, and you don't want it to go to waste because you're not that type of hardy hardy. So, anyways, so let's continue. So we're gonna call this let's give this let's create a span because I want half of this to be so the history of our inn, because who doesn't want to know the history of our little place? So the history of our our hotel. Very awesome, very cool. History of our hotel. At the same time, let's give it a nice paragraph and a nice little description about it. Let's say I don't know. So this hotel was built in the 1988. It has stood tall, welcoming many guests into the building, leaving everyone coming out a brand new person. From having guests like John F. Kennedy to, I don't know, Lady Gaga. This snuggle zone had this snuggle. What is this place called again? Snuggle Inn. This snuggle hotel. This snuggle inn has been home to awesome people, and we'd like you to experience the same. Yes, guys, I am such a good writer. Can you believe that? At the same time, having that said, we also in this content we want to give it a nice little anchor element that's gonna lead us to the about page, so we can talk more about how awesome our silly hotel is. Ha 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 ha. At the same time, I'm gonna give this a class of button, and with that class, we also want to give this a class of, sorry about that, of text primary, because I wanted to highlight primary. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, working like a charm. And real quick, let me just like reply to this text, because it's not good. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry for leaving you guys in the dark. Just give me 1 second. Uh, okay, dokie. I'm very sorry. Ha 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 ha. So, anyways, where are we? Uh, oh shit, Rubber Slayer. Why are you such a ghost? Why don't you come in and talk? Like, what up, bro? Like, dang, homie. Anyways, back to work. Yeah, yeah. I look to see who's watching, 'cause that one viewer is still kind of scaring me. Ha ha ha. I hope it's somebody and not my imagination. Anyways, so let's go down. So we fixed that. Was there any other problems from last? Nah, we just gonna focus about this section later. There we go. I just commented that out because I don't want to talk about that right now. Anyways, showcase was completed. So now let's work on the home info. Ha 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 ha. So with this home info, we're just gonna have like a little bit of CSS, not too much, not too anything. I hope we have selected everything though. And yeah, basically, let's go and select the ID. So home info. And let's give this, since that's the whole section, let's give the whole section, let's give it like height 400 pixels. So everything inside that container is nice and tall. Ha ha ha. And then let's give this a nice image. Info image background URL images outdoor. Let's see what that looks like. Yes, muy caliente, very nice. Forgot to give it. So we also want to float it to the left. We're gonna give it a width of 50% because we're trying to fit two divs inside a container itself, and let's give it a height of I don't know, like, let's give it 100%, but we're gonna make it so, where's my person? Sorry guys. Min height. Ah yes, those leaves, they look so beautiful. At the same time, let's do no repeat. Oh my gosh. No repeat. Cover and center. Will it work? No, it breaks it. Is it center and cover? Yes, it is. Oh, wait, that's the same picture. Is it? Have we been duped? I'm dead. I didn't mean to select that picture. Outdoors. Ah, yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at it go. Now that's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. That's the beauty right there. Okay, so I feel like we've gotten our image. So now let's get our content ready. So hashtag info. Oops. Home info. I'm very sorry. I wanna cry, yo. You guys are making me nervous. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm having. Usually, if I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I never really have an audience. So like, I don't get too nervous when I talk. But now, I have a little baby audience, where it's basically like. And just so you guys know, we're just basically doing the same thing that we did upstairs. Right here. So we're giving it this time a float to the right with a width of 50%. Let's give it also a min height. Min height of 100%. Basically, so boom, 50-50 evens it out. Easy peasy. And then flow right, min width 100. And let's make it so text line is center. At the same time, let's give it so it doesn't do that to us. Well, nope. Why is that happening? Info content. Oh. Because we also want to give it a padding. Let's see. 20 pixels. Doesn't work. Alright, so 20 pixels all around. How about 20 up and down? and 30 left and right. Or what am I doing wrong? We floated it to the right. We did that. Maybe he just doesn't like us. Ah. I gotta fix my min height and widths. Maybe. Nope. Oh, wait. I am dumb. I am very dumb. Oh my god. There we go. I'm so sorry that you guys had to see that happen live. Oh my god, I feel so slow. Wow. At the same time, I forgot to do something. So for the content, we also want to give it a class. This is going to be background. And we want to give this a background of dark. Or, no, not just the content. The whole div. So or the whole section, dark. Oh. Not in the ID. There we go. Beautiful. 'Cause beautiful girl. And then up in our utilities, let's just really quickly create a background of dark. And what this is gonna be is pretty much it's what it is. It's gonna have a background color. If I can spell background correctly. Background color of yes, the nav bar. I went too high. No. Why? Why can't I see? Boom. And then let's give it a color of white. Beautiful. Now we can see everything. Oh yeah. And I feel like changing the button as well. So this is gonna have a button color of light. And while we're in the button color of the lightness, we're also gonna change it. So button of light. Give it a background color. Oops. Background color. And this is gonna be I don't know. F4, F4, F4. And then a color of it's good, yeah. I guess. Anyways, let's continue on and finish up with the CSS, boy. So now, what we want to do is pretty much in the home info. Let's see. I feel like what else are we gonna have to do? We got the image. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Oh, the paragraph. I'm sorry, guys. And then what we want to do with here is give it some padding. Bottom. Like 30 pixels. So it's not so close to the button. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Okay. And then I feel like that's pretty much it. So now we can open up this again. So, bum bada boom. Let's get our features out. And real quick, alright, so we do got our script right here. And what we are going to do is now create another section. And this section is going to be called our feature. Wow, never mind. I'm stupid. Footer. Alright. It's gonna be an ID of main footer. It's gonna have a paragraph. We're gonna get like, what is this? Snuggle in. And then we're gonna do the ampersand. So snuggle in. And copy 2020. And then all rights reserved. Beautiful. We got our footer. We got everything. So that's pretty much it with the HTML, I think. Oh, wait. I'm a liar. I forgot. Now, since we've gotten our font awesome class in, so since we got a font awesome style sheet, we're gonna access the pretty much the font awesome thing. So if we just do FAS, and then since we're working with the great location, we're gonna do FA hotel, and boom. And then if we do, I think FA, I think like this, 3. No. X3. No. 3X. No. FA 3X. Oh. How was it? Like this? Yes. Alright, there we go. I remembered. Okie dokie. So now we're gonna do the same thing. And then for this one, we're gonna do utensils. So utensils. Cool beans. And then for this one, we're gonna do dumbbell. Excellent. Muy excelente. And I feel like that's pretty much it for the HTML portion. So now let's go and play with the boxes. Box. And now with the boxes, or let's call it feature boxes, since it's in the ID of the features. And let's customize the box. So they're all gonna float to the left. Float left. We're gonna give them a width of 3.3% because we're trying to put them all in the same. We're all trying to fit them in the same little row. 50% padding all around. And let's see how that looks. Yes. This is exactly what I don't want. Why are you doing this to me, bro? Box. So they're all boxes, so what happened? Is there something that I did wrong? What's the last thing that I was playing around with? The button. But wouldn't it tell me if I had forgotten anything? Exactly. There's nothing here that I have forgot. So why are you doing this to me? Padding 50 pixels? 33%. Ah. Okay, I'm so sorry. I don't know why I put 50 pixels. Or, I mean, I don't know why I put 50%. Thinking is. It's okay. We're cool. We are cool people. Anyways. Why? Come on, man. Like, Rubber Slayer. Are you still there? Anyways. Let's go and. After this, we're going to. Boom, 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 boom. Text align. Center. Awesome. Yes, beautiful. And this is exactly what I needed. And now, I feel like that's pretty much it. Now we just gotta add in or fix with or play with the background properties. So let's go to the background. Okay, so background. Ouch. Ouch. Okay. B, G. So for the light one, I don't know how you guys want it. We're just gonna make it so it's like we're just adding in the background color, and we're also gonna be giving it like I don't know what kind of background color. Let's just keep it like the same thing that we had for the button. So F4, F4, and then for the color itself, let's just give it like a nice little 666 shade. Oh yeah. Looking hot and spicy. Let's go with another one. So background of primary, is it? Primary, yes. Primary. Background color. So the primary background color, this is gonna be like, let's go with this one. Cause we're cool kids, living in a cool world. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe. And then see how this looks like. Disgusting. Holy snap. That looks really sad. Ew. Ew, ew. That's not what I wanted. Primary, what's that? Let me get this color. Oops. Oopsie. And can't even change this. And bada bing, bada boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's see how this will look like. Yes, beautiful. Alright, so now what we are going to do is make a clear div, because with floats you want to create a nice little clear div, because I'm not alright, I won't work with it. You guys will see, just note that there's gonna be now a div right. I'll just comment it out, never mind. I'll just comment it out, but I will do a class of clear, and then legit just say clear both. Boom. Anyways, now for the footer, and I feel like we're gonna be freaking finished. Finally. Oh, wait. Actually, I just don't like how close these things are. So box and then the eye. Let's give it like a margin. Margin bottom of like 20 pixels. How's that gonna look like? Beautiful. Now it looks really nice, I think. Okay, so now let's work on the footer. So footer, we're almost done, guys. Come on, we're almost there. We're almost there. Hashtag main footer. What should we do? We're gonna give this a bad boy a padding of 20 pixels all around. We want it to be text align in the text align. God damn. Text align in the center. Let's change the background so it's not so simple. What is this gonna be giving us? Orange. No. Let's make it the same as our nav. Or no, actually. The same thing as our hover effect. I learned this a hard way, guys, so hold up. So, where can I find this? Damn it, hold up. What is this thing called again? Current. So where is this here? What? Where did I make that? What? I don't understand what's going on. Oh, there it is, right here. So, wow. I was about to make a big fuss, guys. I was about to go crazy, actually. How does that look? Beautiful. Let's change the color, too. And I don't know if you guys can see, but for some reason, for some odd reason, our pattern is not working. Is that correct, Domingo? Well, listen up. If we make it so we clear the div, we will get that padding. So, yeah, guys, we've completed it. I don't know why that clear fix. I think it's called a clear fix. So yeah, this is it. Now we're gonna be working on the about HTML and the content HTML. Our hovers work. I think. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I'm so happy. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed your day. I'll catch you guys later. Take it easy, my friends.